Welcome to Worcester Technical High School, situated on about 125 acres here in Newark, Maryland. We have native plants, we have pollinator fields, we have an apiary behind the school. We have over 25 CTE programs, but that's not all. Wait till you see what we've got inside. What makes Worcester Technical High School unique is that we have 4 school-based enterprises here. We have a school store to your right. We have the Nest Early Child Care Learning Center. We have a print shop. I mentioned that we have several CTE programs here. Students from a variety of backgrounds and interests can come here to take a program in automotive, carpentry, pre-engineering, biomedical sciences, cosmetology, culinary arts, nursing, Teaching Academy of Maryland, welding, and a variety of more. We even have some new programs that just came on board, including digital audio video production, fire science. Those are our 2 latest ones. We're going to be working on a marine tech program so that students can work on outboard motors to service our community,
agricultural science,
since we live right by
being able
the
to
beach.
use technology to study plants and animals, biotechnology, anything regarding the in systems of plant history with the Marine Corps. So being able to study it, being able to do research papers.
One of my favorite programs at Worcester Tech is our criminal justice program. 100% of our students get high-end internships throughout our community. This is our Emergency Operations Training Center for Homeland Security, where we work every day to get our students ready to fight the next fight.
Hi, I'm Erica Hensley, one of the school counselors at Worcester Tech, and I am going to share about the dual enrollment opportunities that our students have when they complete programs. We have a lot of dual enrollment programs that complement our CTE programs. We had over 83 students request Warwick dual enrollment courses, which is awesome. That's probably the biggest that we've had so far. And we have 130 requests for Salisbury University dual enrollment courses. So this is just an awesome thing that we have going on, a lot of opportunities for our students to earn college credits.
It's very important to our staff, to our counselors, and to our administrators here at Worcester Tech that we know every student by name, strength, and need. In doing so, we can guarantee that every one of our seniors graduates either enrolled, enlisted, and employed. And we put a premium on that to make sure that they go somewhere to do something productive and related to their craft.